When it comes to trading bots, they're a preference. You don't have to have them to be a successful trader, but they give you a competitive edge against the other trader you're trading against in the market. And my preferred trading bot that I like to use the most is BonkBot. Now, maybe BonkBot isn't your preferred trading bot. Down below this video, we've linked 3 other trading bots that you might like, which is BonkBot, BullX, and Trojan. So you can do your own research. You can look into which trading bot maybe is your favorite, but just so you know, you do need a Telegram to use any of these trading bots. They're all based out of the Telegram, and it's easy as texting someone or clicking simple buttons to do an investment, and they're fast, right? That's why you have this competitive edge, and that's why you use trading bots. BonkBot is a Telegram trading bot like the ones I mentioned earlier. Those are also Telegram trading bots, but it allows you to buy or sell coins extremely fast directly from your phone or from a desktop, because Telegram can work from either one. Using a trading bot ensures that you never miss the right buy price or the right sell price. It'll be extremely quick, won't allow you to miss your stop loss or your take profit, and it'll make sure you secure your profits the right way. BonkBot is very easy to use. All you need is a Telegram account, and you need to go visit bonkbot.io and join the Telegram account and set up your wallet that's in there, send the SOL that you need to, and there you go, you're ready to trade. And make sure you like and subscribe to our channel or follow us on X, because we will be posting a how to set up your bonk or another trading bot of your preference, and we're going to do a how to make sure your trading bot is set up to the right settings so you have that edge. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you know when that video comes out. Once you have the BonkBot set up in your Telegram, you're going to want to make sure you load that thing up with some Solana, and you want to make sure you don't ever deplete that to 0 so you can make sure you can initiate transactions on the blockchain. And again, a trading bot is not a necessity. If you don't feel comfortable using Telegram, if you don't feel comfortable using a trading bot, don't do it. You don't need to. Use Photon or use the wallet that we've created in the beginning. But what it does allow is you to have an advantage against the traders you're trading against. Now that we've covered a nice advantage against other traders, let's get into step 5 to give you potential alpha in the market.